In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Godaddy domain to an AWS EC2 instance in just 5 minutes. Let's get started with step 1. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and typing in AWS. Once you're there, log into your account. If you haven't set up an AWS account before, you might need to follow the on-screen instructions to complete that process. Now that you're logged into AWS, we're going to navigate to the EC2 dashboard. In the navigation pane, look for the section labeled Network and Security, where you'll find the Elastic IPs option. Click on this to proceed. Next, click on Allocate Elastic IP Address. This step will give you a new IP address that you can later associate with your EC2 instance. After the IP has been allocated, select your EC2 instance from the list provided and associate this Elastic IP with it. It's important to make a note of the allocated Elastic IP address, as we'll need it in the upcoming steps. Now we'll look at the localization and default region, or default region settings. Ensure that these settings are correctly configured according to your preferences and requirements. Moving on, head over to the AWS Management Console and navigate to Route 53, which is Amazon's DNS web service. On the left-hand menu, you'll see the option called Hosted Zones. Click on it, and then proceed to Create Hosted Zone. Here, you will enter your domain name. Upon doing this, Route 53 will provide you with a set of name servers. Make sure to copy these name servers as they are crucial for the next stage. Continuing in Route 53, within your newly created hosted zone, you'll want to click on Create Record. Choose the record type A, which essentially routes traffic to an IPv4 address, such as our Elastic IP, and some AWS resources. In the value field, you'll paste the Elastic IP address that you allocated earlier. Then, you'll create a second A record for the www subdomain, pointing it to the same Elastic IP address. Once that's done, click on Create Records. The next step is to log into your Godaddy account. Head to My Domains and select the domain that you want to connect to your AWS instance. In the DNS settings, look for the option to change name servers. This is where you'll swap out the default name servers for the custom name servers provided by Route 53. Lastly, be sure to save all the changes. Keep in mind that it might take several hours for these DNS changes to propagate across the internet, so be patient. There you have it. You've successfully connected your Godaddy domain to an AWS EC2 instance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more tech tips and guides.